Yeah, there we go. All right, fellas. Let's get this test here done. Testing the dash cam. Let me know what you guys think. Always, can use any recommendations you guys have of how to improve. Something you guys don't like that I'm doing, or something that you like, or something I could do different. Please feel free. Comment in the video of what you feel that I could do differently. Or if there's something you guys want to see, I'll be more than happy to try it or whatever. I'm just that's why I go by Random Scotty. Because it's all about randomness and all that. I'm just, driving around. We're in Toms River. This is Lakehurst Road. We're just at the Auto Zone on Route 37 by Mule Road. I like that little gray house right there. So yeah, if you guys want to see a certain type of video, or what have you, I'll be open to recommendations. River Terrace in Toms River, New Jersey. That's right, I'm a Jersey boy. Lived in North Carolina for a bit, Greensboro, loved it there. Lived in Florida for a bit in a town called Lehigh Acres, which is next to Fort Myers on the West Coast. Beautiful area. got a new mount. This is being recorded on my mobile smartphone. So since I bought a new car back in February, the old mount that I had on my old car couldn't be transferred over. So I'll be had to go get a new mount, which is why I haven't posted any dash cam videos lately. So as you can tell, I'm just bored. Wanted to test a new mount and see how that goes. A whole bunch of cars coming. You know, gotta give the right of way. Oh yeah, sorry, that's my bad. I didn't see those other cars there, Mr. Nissan. You were hope you, I know it was a short ride, but I hope you enjoyed the video. And as Elvis would say, thank you very much.